Have you ever thought about why mathematics is such an indispensable tool in the realm of woodworking? It serves as the cornerstone upon which every piece of artistry is built. From calculating measurements for a perfect cut to determining the right angles for joining two pieces, math sits at the core of woodworking. Welcome to Peter's Timber Shop, a haven for both experienced woodworkers and daring beginners. It's a place where precision and craftsmanship are woven together to form truly remarkable creations. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey into the heart of rudimentary woodworking math. This journey will equip you with the essential concepts required for meticulous measurements in your woodworking ventures, whether you're a beginner or an expert. It's our way of ensuring that every project you undertake is a testament to perfection. We'll start off by getting to grips with the basic building blocks of any woodworking project: measurement units. Be it inches, centimeters, or millimeters, these are the tools of the trade that you'll be familiarizing yourself with. Now imagine these units as your new best friends. They're here to guide you in creating precise-to-spec work. Let's get into the nuts and bolts of it. An inch is the most commonly used unit in woodworking, especially if you're based in the US. A single inch is broken down into fractions, for example, half an inch, 1/2, quarter of an inch, 1/4, and so on. Moving on to the metric system, centimeters and millimeters give us a more granular measurement. 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. So if a woodworking plan stipulates a width of 5 centimeters, you can measure it out as 50 millimeters for greater precision. Understanding how to operate measuring tapes and rulers correctly is the key to precision. When using a measuring tape, ensure the hook at the end is securely fixed at the start of what you're measuring. Read the tape by noting the number where your measurement ends. As for rulers, they're essential for shorter measurements, or whenever greater accuracy is required. Just align the 0 mark with one end of the object, and read off the length at the other end. Remember to count both the larger numbers and the smaller divisions in between for an exact measurement. Mastering these skills will certainly raise the bar of your craftsmanship, setting your work a cut above the rest. Let's now break down the 4 pillars of basic mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and see how they apply in woodworking. We start with addition. Imagine you're making a bookshelf, and each shelf is 30 inches long. If you want to make 4 shelves, you simply add 34 times, resulting in a total length of 120 inches. Next comes subtraction. Suppose you cut a piece of wood that is 50 inches but you only needed a 40-inch piece. You simply subtract 40 from 50, and you realize you need to trim an extra 10 inches off. Then there's multiplication. Let's say you need 3 pieces of wood, each 4 feet long for a project. You multiply 3 by 4 to determine that you need 12 feet of wood in total. Lastly, there's division. Assume you have a 60-inch piece of wood and you need to divide it into 5 equal pieces. You divide 60 by 5, and you find that each piece should be 12 inches long. These concepts might sound like elementary school knowledge, but believe us, they are the vital elements of precise woodworking measurements. We'll illustrate these through a variety of real-life woodworking situations to show their indispensable role in your craftsmanship. Now here's an opportunity that's tailor-made for venture into our online community at www.peterstimbershop.com and secure your free Mastery Woodworking video guide and ebook. This is your golden ticket to uplift your woodworking abilities with beginner-friendly educational resources. So, why hesitate? Kickstart your woodworking journey with us today. In closing, we urge you to recognize the immense importance of mastering basic woodworking math, especially if you're just starting your journey as a woodworker. Here at Peter's Timber Shop, our goal is to equip every beginner with the understanding of this fundamental skill and the precision it can bring to their craft. Remember, in woodworking, every millimeter counts, and it's this understanding of math that can make all the difference. This isn't just math, it's the cornerstone of your future success in woodworking. And that brings us to the end for today, dear friends. Make sure to stay connected for more enlightening videos from Peter's Timber Shop. For all the beginners, persist, practice, and persist some more. Keep refining your skills, because remember, precision isn't a gift, it's an achievement that comes with consistent practice. Until we meet next time, keep going and never stop practicing. In this video, we've demystified the fundamental principles of woodworking math, offering you straightforward and potent concepts for meticulous measurements. Remember, at Peter's Timber Shop, we're all about empowering you with the knowledge you need and the precision you crave. To all woodworking beginners, let us reassure you that mastering these mathematical tricks of the trade is not only achievable, but it can significantly elevate your woodworking skills. So don't fret, you're well on your way to mastery. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.